Oh, what an incredible plant-based holiday meal this is. Vegan tofu ham, scalloped potatoes, and a pomegranate citrus salad. Open the tofu package. You want to press it if it's not already pressed, but 70 grams of protein. Get a little bit of extra of that water out. Slice it in half. I didn't do that very evenly. Cut it up. Diagonal. Don't go all the way through. Gently. Ooh, look at that. Alright, let's make the marinade. Soy sauce, 2 tablespoons. I use low sodium. Apple cider vinegar. Maple syrup. Dijon mustard. Smoked paprika. I think it called for regular. Press that garlic. Could use garlic powder, but the fresh is really nice. Cut it up. Get those little middle things out. Don't like those. Press it or chop it. Nice. A little citrus in there. This is a clementine. Called for zest and not juice, but I winged it. Mix it up. And marinate. Get it all over those slabs. Now, I only marinated it for an hour, but next time I make this, I will definitely marinate it longer or overnight. Ooh, scalloped potatoes next. Starting with the garlic and onion. I'm gonna saute that. Chop it up. A little oil. Saute it till it's caramelized. Bean. Press that garlic. Peel the potatoes. I used Yukon Gold potatoes. I think that's what the recipe calls for. Slice it an eighth inch thick. Don't slice those fingers. I think most people love potatoes. Alright, I overdid those onions a little bit. Making the cheese sauce. That was a little bit of vegetable broth, nutritional yeast, based with soy milk, and I already had cashew cream made. It calls for soaking the cashews and blending it all together, but this worked for me. A little bit of salt. I think I used a little bit less salt than I called for. It turned out fine. Spray that pan so it doesn't stick. Now we're layering the potatoes, the sauce, onions, more potatoes, more sauce, more onions, more potatoes, more sauce. I don't know if my ratios were exactly right, but it turned out really good. Onions on top, those kind of burnt, so I would put them underneath. And I didn't have chives, but that would be a nice topping. In the oven we go. Alright, tofu has been marinated. Let that sauce soak in there. it in. These are whole cloves. Just gonna put them in the diagonal parts. Press them down. In the oven they go. Now we're making the glaze. A little bit of water, a little bit of orange juice. Maple syrup. It called for molasses. I didn't have that, so I just did a little extra maple syrup. That might have affected the texture and taste and color, but it worked out. A little bit of Dijon mustard. Balsamic glaze. I love that glaze. That was Costco. Mix it up. A little bit of cinnamon. And bring it to a boil. That gives it time to thicken up. Really turn into a glaze versus a sauce. And now we're gonna top the vegan hams. Just really paint it on there. I probably could have got that sauce a little bit more thick if it were the molasses. Cooked it down more, but like I said, it worked. Put them back in the oven. Now we're on to the salad. This is a holiday salad. Started with some spring mix, already washed, easy, ready to use. A lot of nutrients in there. Then I used some mandarin oranges that were just canned, drained, and rinsed with some pomegranate seeds and almonds. I didn't need to chop them, but I felt like it. I didn't use a couple of the ingredients the salad called for, like avocado and green onions. So I didn't have any. Dressing is olive oil, apple cider vinegar, a little bit of citrus, agave, Dijon, a little touch of red wine vinegar, a little bit of salt, and you shake it up. Dress it, ready to go. Beautiful. Got those kind of Christmassy feel with the pomegranate seeds. Oh, almost ready to plate. Yum. My glaze kind of got all over the place. I would have cooked that longer. I was a little impatient, but ooh, that turned out well still. Scalloped potatoes, tofu ham, and our salad. For a balanced plant-based meal, we got protein, carbs, fats, lots of color, texture, flavor. Ah, so good, so satisfying, so much flavor too.